You've got tons of happy customers. You know this because they tell you how satisfied they are each time they leave your establishment. But how do you capture their satisfaction to share with those who have yet to come in and experience it for themselves? Are you sick of begging your customers to leave reviews or rate your service? It's time-consuming to have to keep up with all of the review services online, let alone remembering to log in to each account to monitor what those who do get around to leaving reviews are saying. Reputation management is a full-time job. So let us help. We'll show you a system that gives you total control over which reviews appear directly on your website. There's no need for your customers to create an account somewhere simply to leave a review. In fact, they can leave a review from any smartphone before they've even left your place of business. Can you afford to keep ignoring what others are saying about you online? If you're ready to take control, contact us today.